In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Bitbucket file. We'll walk through signing in, finding your repository, opening the file you need, and downloading the exact version you want, all from the Bitbucket web interface. You'll just need access to the repository and a modern browser. Start by heading to the Bitbucket sign-in page. You'll be asked to log in with your Atlassian account. Choose the option to continue with Google if that's how your account is set up. Using Google is common and quick, and if you have multiple Google accounts, pick the one linked to your Bitbucket access. If two-factor authentication is enabled, complete that step so you can proceed securely. Once you're in, you'll land in your workspace. Look for the repositories section in the sidebar or workspace navigation. This is where all the repositories you can access are listed. Click the repository that contains the file you want to save. If you're not sure which one it is, the repository name and description usually give helpful context. Inside the repository, navigate through the directory tree to locate your file. Click through folders until you see it. If you need a different version of the file, use the branch or tag selector at the top to switch before you open it. That way you're saving the exact content from the correct branch, such as main, develop, or a release tag. Text-based files like code or markdown often show a preview, while binaries won't render but will still offer actions. Open the Files page, then look for the three dots menu, sometimes labeled More Actions, near the top right of the file viewer. Click that menu and choose Open Raw. This option gives you the unformatted content directly from the repository. What happens next depends on the file type and your browser. For many binary files, your browser will begin downloading immediately using the original file name. For text or HTML files, a new tab may open showing the raw contents. In that case, use your browser's save function. Save page as in the menu or press Ctrl+S on Windows or Command+S on Mac, and choose a folder on your computer. Double check that the file extension matches the original so your tools recognize it correctly. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Make sure you're on the correct branch and commit to avoid saving an outdated version. If the repository uses large file storage, bigger assets may take longer to download. And if your browser blocks the download, allow downloads from Bitbucket and try again. That's all there is to it. You've successfully saved a file from Bitbucket using the web interface.